Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open Bubble Chat in Messenger on iOS. First, you'll want to ensure your Messenger application is updated to its most recent version. This feature, often called chat heads, allows for seamless multitasking. You'll also need to grant Messenger-specific permissions within your iOS settings to allow it to display over other applications. This setup takes just a few moments, typically less than 1 minute, and significantly enhances your messaging experience, making conversations more accessible and fluid. To enable chat heads, begin by opening your iPhone's main settings application. Scroll down until you find the Messenger app listed among your installed applications. Tap on Messenger, and then look for an option related to permissions or display settings. You'll need to toggle on the Allow Display over other apps or a similar permission. This crucial step ensures that Messenger can create those convenient floating chat bubbles on your screen, allowing you to respond without fully leaving your current task. Once enabled, when you receive a new message from a contact, a small circular chat bubble will automatically appear on your screen. This bubble will display the contact's profile picture. To open the conversation, simply tap on this floating bubble. The chat will then open as an overlay, allowing you to reply directly without switching applications. When you're finished, you can easily dismiss the bubble by dragging it to the bottom of your screen, where a small X will appear. If you encounter any issues with your Messenger chat bubbles, there are a few simple troubleshooting steps you can take. First, try completely closing and then reopening the Messenger application. If that doesn't resolve the problem, a full restart of your iOS device can often fix minor glitches. Additionally, always double-check the App Store for any pending Messenger updates, as new versions frequently include bug fixes. Finally, revisit your iOS settings to confirm all required permissions are still active.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.